Hey everyone! Welcome to the Welver channel. Today I'll show you what to do if Windows couldn't find the Uninstall.exe, meaning you can't uninstall a game or program. To do this, we'll need to go into the registry editor. Let's open it. And here, just wait. We need to navigate the following path. So, it's HK local machine software. Then WoW 6432 node. Here's Microsoft, here's Windows, here's current version, right? In current version, we're interested in uninstall. There it is. And here you'll find the programs. There. Here you need to find the program you want to remove. The one that's missing the uninstall.exe file. For example, FL Studio. To make everything work, just delete this folder, and after that the file should be removable. The program or game should be removable. Just give it another try. That's all. This was Welver. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.